Hello. The results of this video are easily found with a Google Images search, but let's get the ugly purple off of these shoes. Booyah! Hey dudes and dudettes, welcome to a video of me doing things, because apparently that's something that I thought people want to watch. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And then after that, I have a website. It's underneath that. It's called ransomnotesnkrs.com. You can find things for sale there because that's what online web stores do, I guess. So, what are we doing today? We're gonna do two things, maybe even three if I get to UPS in time. We're gonna strip the purple off of these LA to Chicago Jordan SBs. We're gonna put together the Netmagnetism Heineken SB Kickbricks, and if I get to UPS in time, we're gonna unbox some kind of shoe. This is clickbait. So let's go to my kitchen because that's the only place I can really do this. So that's what we're starting with. This is what we're gonna get. I'm a big fan. First of all, I know it's echoey, big deal, but I'm a big fan of the distressed look, and my knees and the rest of my body don't allow me to skate to wear these off naturally. So I used a magic eraser for this entire shoe. I took off that gosh awful purple and made it kind of cat's colors. So here's what I used. Some Mr. Clean magic erasers cut into cubes in a super dad mug, even though I'm not a dad, but I do appreciate dad jokes. Got another bowl of bigger ones with water in them too. Water helps the paint get out of the actual magic erasers, so that's good. And then a microfiber towel. So let's get to this. Take one of the tiny cubes first. It's gonna get water all over the place, big deal. But you'll see how easily this stuff comes off. It's pretty kind of awesome. Don't have to apply too much pressure. Just makes it a lot easier to take it off, and you don't have to fry your brain cells with acetone or nail polish. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It definitely makes for a cleaner transition, or transformation, I guess you could say. But I like the fact that there's still remnants of the purple, even though I don't like purple, in the red. You don't want to do too much because this stuff actually will take the red paint off too. But the reason I cut these into small squares is because it just makes it a lot easier to navigate around nooks and crannies. And you can see there. Whoop. Maybe I should get a towel for under here. Let's do that. Let's get a towel. Usually I'd be doing this in a sink, but I'm very poor at planning. So let's go fast motion and do this thing for realsies. That's what it should look like, kind of. I'm still going to work on it, but I'm not going to sit here and do it while you guys are watching me do this. So let's go see what the final product is after I'm done. And there they are. Poser ones, because I don't skate anymore because my body is beaten up. I mean, it takes a little bit of elbow grease, but it looks good. I think it just looks cooler with that kind of almost distressed kind of look to it. Very cool. There you go. No chemicals. A little bit of time. Word of the wise is to do it in a tub or a sink though. Now let's put together a Netmagnetism Kickbrick. Check them out, netmagnetism.com, at Netmagnetism on Instagram. Did these things called Kickbricks. That's what it's gonna look like when it's done, just kidding. But this is the Heineken Dunk SB. That's what it'll look like when it's done. These things take a little bit of time, but they give you detailed instructions on what to do. So yeah. Let's put something together. And there it is. Pretty good. There it is. Turned out pretty good. All laced up. I'm actually wearing them now because you gotta wear your shoes to break them in, you know. I'm not gonna do like on foot shots because I'm not Hess or Seth, so what's the point of that? But hey, look at, you can do this. This is an on foot shot with some fun taco socks. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Big fan of that that's going on too. Oh, where's the dunk too? This thing turned out pretty awesome. I mean, the colors are pretty spot on. I mean, mine are faded a little bit because obviously, but yeah, these are really, really cool. These are available now at netmagnetism.com. I think they're like 49 bucks. Just a really, really cool, fun thing to do. And I just like putting them together. It takes a little bit of time, but yeah, it's a fun, calming thing to do. So boom. And as I said in the video earlier, towards the beginning, I did make it to UPS. So I actually have something to unbox. This comes to us from the Obvious Tape Company. Doesn't have the swoosh on the box though. This is the size of a bowling ball bag, y'all, but this came out this weekend. Got here pretty quick. It was available through the Snkrs app via a draw, just like all the other collaborations this dude has done. Nike, very surprisingly, uses backing material. That's pretty okay. Yeah. Oh, there goes the receipt. But this is a Nike Air Fear of God one in a size 10.5. I just went for 10.5 for some reason, I don't know. After the horrible May that I had, I needed a good W for June, so this is okay. This is the first new pair of Air Fear of Gods that I've ever gotten, but I don't know what's in here, in this little bag thing. I would assume probably other laces. Some kind of like dust bag thing going on here, or a tote or something. It says Air Fear of God on the tote, which is kind of neat. Wow, these look a lot different than in the app. Holy cow, how do you wear these things? These are specially made for space people. So, I mean, they're gonna have to be opened eventually, so. Oh wait, they are open, they're not sealed, so that's cool. But this is the sail colorway of the Air Fear of God 1. I don't do reviews, y'all, so I'm gonna do my best right now. This is mostly white. The toe box. Looks like it's like some kind of like really low pile suede or like nubuck material. Canvas upper. These look like they're a pain in the butt to get on. Rubber outsole with the Air Fear of God branding on the midsole right there. Zipper on the back to help you get it on, which is super helpful, I'm sure. First time using a zipper apparently. But it's got this liner in here too that is the same material as I think what's on the upper. So this actually might be leather, just really high quality leather. But yeah, these aren't too bad. The retail on these was like $350, so I ended up paying like $370 something because of tax, but yeah. Air Fear of God 1 in the sail colorway. I did not expect to hit on sneakers, and when I did, I was pleasantly surprised, but then I'm like, oh, it's a shoe that's $350. Packaging's kind of cool, I will say that. Definitely unlike a lot of the other Nike stuff I've seen before. Cool. I think that's really all. What else is going on? Oh, check these out. This is something different. I don't know, I just felt like talking about something that I saw today. This is from @NikeSB on Instagram. This was a release done by Bespoke Australia. This is just a really cool looking shoe. It's a custom Lego dunk. It's not made of Legos, but I figured it was kind of thematic because I put together a Lego-ish kind of shoe earlier, but I think this collaboration is it. I think it's wonderful. I think it's awesome. I don't know any release information, but I think they're a really cool shoe. I will be trying to get them. I'm sure they cost more than retail because it is a custom job. But dang, I mean, check that out. Just a myriad of colors, and they're just a beautiful, beautiful shoe in my opinion. So yeah, that's what's going on here. So keep in mind at the end of the week, probably Saturday, we're gonna be announcing a big time giveaway with a big time friend, and it should be a fun time. More beater boxes on the way. Just a whole bunch of fun stuff on the SB Mitch channel. So I appreciate you for subscribing, for watching, for just being cool. Thanks for dealing with the mishmash of ADD that was going on in this video. This is just kind of a weird video for me to film, something out of my comfort zone, and I had fun doing it. So till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated, because that's the golden rule, and there's a reason it's golden. No? Okay. All right, see you later, bye!